I don't have time to spend all weekend in the kitchen prepping meals for the week. This is a common problem we hear from nutrition clients. I get it. Juggling 2 businesses, raising 2 kids, and all the other things life throws at you, sometimes time is the limiting factor. Here are 3 tips to help you get on track with your nutrition. Tip number 1, make a plan. Pull up the Healthy Steps Nutrition recipe page. Pull out the Healthy Steps Nutrition cookbook and look through it with your kids. Pick out a couple staples that you want to prep during the week. Next, schedule time for shopping and, most importantly, prepping your meals. As soon as you get home from the grocery store, go ahead and prep your food. Tip number 3, look for a couple staples that are super quick and easy. One of my favorites is egg roll in a bowl. Use these tips next time you are planning your weekend activities so that you can stay on track and set yourself up for success. Are you looking for a coach and a guide to help you create a plan for success? We would love to help you. Click the link below and apply for nutrition coaching today.